Good day, everybody, and once again we are back together. All right, so we are still looking at that question paper for technical maths, and this is the very last question. So please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you're part of this family. All right, so let's get into the question. They say the irregular shape below has one straight side divided into four equal parts, 4 meters apart. The coordinates dividing the parts are 4 meters, 4.5 meters, 4.7 meters, 4.9 and 3.6 respectively, right? Now they want us to calculate the area using the mid-ordinate rule. Now, I want you guys to really think about this. So, in a sense, you can break this down into kind of sort of rectangles, right? So where you've got your first rectangle here, your second one there, your third one, and your fourth one, right? But because it's kind of an uneven surface at the top, what we do when we use the mid-ordinate rule is that for the part that is uneven, we are going to take the median value of it, okay? And what do we mean by that? Let's start with the first area, okay? So I'm going to say, well, for the area, that's going to be the length multiplied by the breadth, or you can say the height. So that would be 4 multiplied by. So what you do for the height, I'm going to say 4 plus 4.5 divided by 2. I take the median value of it, right? And then plus the other value, going to have 4 multiplied by, that's 4.5 plus 4.7 over 2. I'm sure you're getting the hang of it. So that's 4 multiplied by, remember I'm multiplying by this 4 here at the bottom. That's 4.7 plus 4.9. It's 4.9 over 2. Okay, I'm just going to remove this guy. And then the final one, we've got 4.9 plus 3.6. So remember, all of these are multiplied by 4. All right, now there we go. I'm going to add all of those up. That's 4 plus 4.5 over 2 plus another 4 times. We've got 4.5 plus 4.7 over 2. And we've got another one. 4 multiplied by 4.9. I think I made a mistake on that one. So I have 4.5 and 4.7. I have 4.7 and 4.9. Sorry about that. That's 4.7. Again, divided by 2. And the last one, I've got 4 multiplied by, that's 4.9 plus 3.6, again divided by 2. Right, and I get a value 795. Okay, so my area will be 795 square meters. Okay, and please keep that in mind. My dimensions were in the same units, so I did not need to convert anything. Ladies and gents, that's how the cookie crumbles. I will see you guys again next time. And please look out, there'll be lots of content for technical maths as well as technical science that's still coming. All right, but for now, I'll see you guys again next time. Sharp, sharp.